Hello, my name is Jim Katsoulis and I want to welcome you to the Addictive Health site. If you've ever tried changing your habits in order to feel healthier or to lose weight, you realize how difficult it can be to rely on willpower alone. Over the past 10 years, as a professional hypnotist, I've worked one-on-one and with groups to help people create permanent, profound changes in their vitality levels and the way that they approach health. And I want to share some of these methods with you. If you look over to the left, you'll see a sign-up box for the 3-day Addictive Health Challenge. And this is my gift to you, my challenge to you, to show you that there's an easier way to create the level of health that you want in your life. When you sign up for this program, each day you're going to get a 5-minute audio. Listen to this 5-minute audio and you're going to find 3 things happen. You begin to feel more relaxed, you begin to drink more water, and you're going to find that you begin to make better food choices, all automatically. Not through willpower, but through a natural internal craving for this to happen. And when you begin to create change this way, it begins to last, and you get addicted to it, because you know you want to feel healthy. And so when you start feeling addicted to this feeling, it becomes natural and automatic. So please sign up for this course and find out for yourself. Realize that there is a better way, and the change is easy when you know how. So I look forward to seeing you in the challenge, and have a great day.